Installing Builder's Edge shutters on a house? Measuring windows correctly is essential to proper installation. With a huge range of widths and heights across all our styles, you'll want to get your measurements right the first time. While shutters are usually the same length as a window frame, there are several ways to lay them out. Either the inside or the outside of the frame will work. Whichever you choose, it's important to be consistent for all windows. You just don't want to go too small or too tall. Next up, measure the width of the windows. Typically, shutters should be about half the width of the window. Don't assume a home's windows are all the same size. Measure them all out. With your measurements, go to buildersedge.com and zero in on the styles, colors, and widths desired. So, that's the right way to measure for shutters. Trust us, and your Builder's Edge shutters will be sized right all around.